All right, we got a new unused AGT QS12R. It's got auxiliary hydraulics set up, ready to go for attachments. It's 28 inches wide, so super narrow. You can get in backyards very easily, through the front door of a house. Whatever you needed to do, it can get you there. I'm just gonna do a quick walk around. I'll fire it up for you. I don't have anyone to video the operations, so we'll just start it up and show you. Turn the power switch on. See? And we choke. There you have it. We'll turn it off real quick. You can come down on our preview day, which is Friday before the sale. Check it out. Any questions in the meantime, just give us a call and let us know. Thanks for watching.